How to use hashtags effectively on X app, formerly known as Twitter. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the X app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, now in order to use hashtags effectively, you need to head over to the post. You can create a new post, tap on this plus icon and select this post option. From here, you can create a new post. You can type in whatever you want. Once you write your content, now in order to use hashtags effectively, you need to focus on the relevance and strategic placement within your post. So don't just use popular hashtags, make sure that they genuinely relate to your content. For example, if you're posting about a new coffee shop, using the hashtag coffee, it is more relevant than using lifestyle. So focus on the relevant hashtags. And next thing is strategic placement. Don't just stop the hashtags, incorporate them naturally within your text. For example, like this within the sentence is more strategic and good for your post. So along with this, you can also check the Explore tab of Twitter from where you can discover trending hashtags. Make sure you don't overload hashtags. Use minimal hashtags, around 2 to 3. So that's how you can easily use hashtags effectively on Twitter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.